everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect a Lenovo Smart Clock 2 to Wi-Fi. This will be a super duper easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, if you'll notice, the Lenovo Smart Clock 2 doesn't have a keyboard on it, and it doesn't even have any buttons on it for the most part, just a plus and a minus up here for the volume control. Now, with that being said, you're like, how do I connect this to Wi-Fi? Well, it's actually really easy, and it's not even done through the actual smart clock itself. It's actually done through an associated app. So if you see here, I have my phone. This is one of my phones. It's just a phone that I use for videos like this. It doesn't even have a SIM card in it, as you can see, but it does have Google Home on it, and I'm going to open up that app. Now, when I started with this Lenovo Smart Clock 2, which you can see I've named it as Basement Clock over here. When I started with it, when I set it up, I went to add the device, okay? And I did a whole separate setup video on this. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled for that, because it goes over the entire process for setting it up, okay? But within that process, when I went to the plus symbol and I set up the new device, I had to choose a network to connect the smart clock to via the app. So on the app, I had to choose a Wi-Fi network to connect the smart clock to. No pun intended, smart clock 2, smart clock 2, okay? So I had to choose the Wi-Fi network, and I had to choose the Wi-Fi network that is the same one that the phone is connected to. That's the key there, okay? So the phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, and when you connect your smart clock 2 to a Wi-Fi network, you want it to be the same Wi-Fi network that the phone is connected to. That's the key factor here. That's how you connect it to Wi-Fi. A lot of people will have trouble. You need to connect it to the same Wi-Fi network. That's the way that it does indeed work best. So that's it. It's really simple. If it's your first device that you set up, you have to put in your Wi-Fi, you have to select the Wi-Fi network, put in the password and so forth to actually connect to it, and make sure it's the same one that the phone or the device is connected to with Google Home on it. But if you've done it multiple times and this isn't your first, it's not your first rodeo, it's not your first Google Home smart product, then you can just select the Wi-Fi network and it probably will not ask you to enter the password because you will have already done it with other devices before that. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.